There are millions of articles and videos on how to dress better, with hundreds of different style rules and tips and tricks to improve your outfits. I would know because I've created many of these videos myself, but if we were to dissect all of them, they can be boiled down to 10 things. 10 commandments of style that will ensure you always look your best if you follow them. 1. You shall dress for the occasion. Because a good outfit in the wrong place can be a bad outfit. You don't want to be that one guy in a hoodie and jeans in a room full of tailored suits, or show up in a three-piece suit to a casual family barbecue. So know the dress code of where you're going, even if it's an unspoken one, and dress appropriately for the occasion. 2. You shall leave no creases or stains, because even the best of outfits will instantly look 10 times worse if it's creased up or stained. Don't let a great outfit be overshadowed by a simple stain. You should take care of your clothes as you would a loved one, with great care and attention to detail. 3. You shall create tension in your look. This concept was very well explained by my dear YouTube colleague, Drew Joyner. Great style is often found at the juxtaposition between two contrasting elements: a smart trouser with a casual jacket, a shirt and tie mixed in with streetwear, or a statement color in a monochrome outfit. Not every outfit you put on needs to have that tension, but it is a great tool to elevate your outfits to the next level. 4. In staples, you shall trust. At the end of the day, great style can only be built with a strong foundation. A foundation made of great staples that fit you well and express who you are. So before attempting to play in the big leagues, you shall build a capsule wardrobe made out of great staples. If you can't reach into your closet in the dark and put together a decent outfit, your staples are not stapling enough. 5. You shall not use colors in excess of 3. Although abundantly colorful outfits can sometimes work, they can be very hard to style well. So as a general rule of thumb, sticking to 3 colors max will lead to a more cohesive outfit. If using different shades of the same color, you could count each of those shades as half colors, as the contrast between them will not be as visually striking as 2 completely different colors. 6. You shall groom yourself as you do your style. Even the greatest of styles can be dampened by lackluster grooming, so make sure that you keep not just your clothes in check, but also your hairstyle and your facial grooming. Schedule in regular trips to your barber. If you have a beard, learn how to shape it up yourself and how to keep it tidy. Learn how to pluck your eyebrows and have a proper skincare routine. You don't even need that many different products. For most people, a face wash, a moisturizer, and maybe an eye cream will suffice. Our skincare sponsor, Geology, can get you started with a full skincare set personalized to your skin in a matter of minutes. All you need to do is go to the link in the description to complete a quick online quiz that will determine the most effective products to match your skin's needs and goals. If you would like to try Geology, I've got a special discount code for you guys. Just type in code TIM80 at checkout to get 80% off your first personalized skincare set. 7. You shall layer from thin to thick. The layer closest to your body should be the thinnest, and then the layers added on top of it should get gradually thicker as you get further away from your body. For example, say you start with a standard t-shirt. You can then go for a chunkier sweater and then a heavier coat on top. Whereas if you put a thinner outer layer on top of the sweater, the balance in your look would feel off. This rule doesn't work 100% of the time, just like the 3 color rule, but it is still a good general guideline to have. 8. You shall never show your ankles in winter. This is the one true cardinal sin. It's winter, it's cold, you're wrapped up in a sweater, jacket, scarf, but somehow you decide to leave your ankles bare with some no-show socks and loafers or sneakers. No. Please don't do this. I know sometimes fashion prioritizes form over function, but there should be limits to it. Leave the bare ankle look for high summer where it belongs. 9. You shall not buy clothing impulsively. Like all good things in life, fashion is meant to be enjoyed at a slow pace. Although you may feel momentarily joyful when purchasing yet another item that you didn't really need, if the decision was not thought through, chances are you will end up regretting it in the future when your new item spends more time sitting in your wardrobe than being worn on yourself. So take your time and do not buy clothing impulsively. Purchase with thought, care, and intention. 10. You shall have fun. At the end of the day, style is a method of self-expression, one that shouldn't be boiled down to an exact science nor bounded by strict rules, but rather seen as an art form, a way to express your individuality. So don't overthink it too much or try too hard to get it perfect. Have fun with it. If you think something looks cool, wear it proudly. Be bold with your choices and wear things that bring you joy or make you feel confident or simply make your day that little bit more enjoyable because you look darn cool. My friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. I wish you all a beautiful day and I will see you in the next one.